Hey guys, Akash here. So listen, over the past few decades of being a coach, a trainer, and a teacher to hundreds of thousands of students, and also having gone through many transformations myself, I have made a lot of weight loss mistakes. Now, it is true that you often learn the hard way, like when you actually make a mistake yourself and then try not to repeat it. It's also possible to learn from people like me and completely avoid those mistakes in the first place. And when you do that, you save a lot of time, money, and effort. And I sincerely hope that this short video can help you in any way possible. So make sure to watch the video till the end because I have a free gift for you and also because the mistakes that I share will build upon one another. So in this video, I want to help you weed out the top 3 weight loss mistakes that are actually keeping you fat. Now, if you're aware of the 80-20 Pareto rule where 20% of the things create 80% of the impact, and when compounded, just 4% of the things can create around 64% of the impact, then these biggest weight loss mistakes are creating that 64% impact in your life. And if you truly understand them and then take the action steps I provide, you will significantly increase your chance of success and potentially stay lean for the rest of your life. So with that thought in mind, let us get into the first mistake. And mistake number 1 is checking your weight every day. I literally want you to do this. Throw away your weighing scale. Stop weighing yourself completely, not even once a week, not even once a month. Now, I know this might go against what your trainer or weight loss coach has told you, but honestly, I disagree with that approach because when you check your weight and it is just 500 grams more, you immediately feel demotivated. And when you check your weight every single day, it clearly shows that your mindset is more outcome focused rather than processed focused. You're constantly worried about the result instead of actually enjoying the process. To that, I would quote Bhagavad Gita, Karam karo, phal ki chinta mat karo. So instead of the scale, focus on the mirror. Notice how your clothes are fitting, but yes, at the same time, you also do not want to get obsessed with the mirror either. Now, outcome-based goals are fine. It's okay to have a clear direction and a goal. Like, for example, I want to drop 5 kilos in a given time frame. But do not think about it all the time. Instead, spend more time figuring out how to make the weight loss process more enjoyable. Find creative ways to enjoy the process because when you enjoy something, you naturally do it every day. And consistency over time always brings results. Mistake number 2, being paranoid about calorie in and calorie out. Essentially, calorie counting. You're not a bodybuilder, you're not entering a fitness model contest, and honestly, you do not really need a completely flat tummy with visible abs. Okay, maybe you want abs, and that is fine, but know this, that less than 0.1% of people actually get abs, and even fewer people are able to maintain it long term. So it's not a very realistic goal for most people watching this. Instead, what you should aim for is a healthy body fat range. I've already made a video on the healthiest body fat range for both men and women, so you can check out the link in the description or in the I button somewhere. Now, it is perfectly okay to have a rough idea of the calorie content of food. In fact, I recommend devoting some time to figuring out the estimated calories in common foods you eat every day. For example, when you see an apple, you should roughly know that it has around 100 calories. An egg, a medium egg, has about 70 calories, and these estimations are fine. They just help you become more aware of what you're eating. Now, you might be thinking, Akash, is there any way where calorie counting is not required at all? And the answer is yes, there is. It is called mindful eating. And honestly, almost no one does it properly. So ask yourself these questions. Can you stop eating when you're about 80% full? Can you eat only 2 to 3 meals a day? Can you eat all your calories before sunset? If your answer is a strong yes, then you do not need calorie counting at all. But if the answer is no, then just do calorie counting for a period of few weeks. Build some awareness, understand portion control, and once that awareness is there, make sure you fix the next mistake. So mistake number 3 is adding too much variety in your eating. We often hear that variety is the spice of life, but when it comes to nutrition, maybe not. One of the biggest secrets that most people fail to understand is this: the healthiest people on the planet eat almost the same meals every single day. The ingredients are more or less the same. If you want to make healthy eating easy, and I know you do, then the simplest way is to eat the same meals again and again and again on repeat. Decide on just one breakfast and make sure it has the finest quality ingredients. For example, let's take oats. Pick the finest, best quality organic steel cut oats you can find. To improve nutrient density, add high quality seeds, nuts, and even a good protein powder. Then figure out a way to make it really tasty, something that keeps you satisfied for hours without cravings. For me personally, I love oats for breakfast. I eat it around 11 in the morning and I experience no sugar crash, no hunger, no craving until 6 in the evening, which is my dinner time. Just two main meals, two healthy snacks, and almost the same meals every day for the past few decades. Eating same meals every day leaves very little room for error and the decision making becomes easier. Now, before you scroll past this video, I have a free gift for you, a free course, and yes, you even get a free completion certificate that looks something like this. It is called 21 Nutrition and Diet Planning Myths and Mistakes. If you want access to it, just comment mistake below and we will send you the free course link. I'm Akash. Thank you so much for your time. Namaste.